Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best EL766AW color general purpose electrical tape on the market. The GGR supplies T.R.U EL766AW pink general purpose electrical tape. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile tape for your electrical needs, this product might just be the perfect fit. First off, let's talk about the basics. This electrical tape measures 3/4 inch wide and 66 feet long, making it an ideal size for a wide range of applications. It is constructed from high-quality vinyl synthetic rubber, which gives it excellent durability and flexibility. This tape is industrial grade and comes with a thickness of 7 mils, ensuring it provides solid insulation and protection. One of the standout features is its impressive rating. This tape is rated up to 600 volts and can withstand temperatures up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. That means it can be trusted for various electrical wiring tasks, including cable insulation, wire splicing, and bundling. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This pink electrical tape isn't just about function. It's also UL and CSA listed, so it meets stringent safety standards, which gives peace of mind when using it in sensitive electrical environments. The adhesive is aggressive and rubber-based, designed to stick firmly even to stainless steel, which speaks volumes about its holding power. In addition to electrical work, this tape resists UV rays, acids, alkalis, oil, moisture, and abrasion. This means it holds up well in harsh conditions, whether it's exposed to the sun, chemicals, or rough surfaces. That durability makes it a great choice for automotive repairs, HVAC applications, plumbing, and more. The tape rolls on smoothly thanks to the plasticized PVC film, which is not only premium grade but also provides a comfortable handling experience. Its core diameter is 1.5 inches, which fits most standard tape dispensers, making it easy to use and store. Although the product description mentions its use in ice hockey grips, it's really a versatile tool for any household or industrial electrical task. The pink color adds a unique touch, which can help in color coding wires or marking specific areas during installations. As a product from a small business brand, purchasing this tape supports smaller manufacturers while ensuring you get a high-quality item backed by the GGR Group. It weighs just over 3.5 ounces, so it's lightweight and portable, ready to go wherever you need it. In summary, the GGR supplies T.R.U EL766AW pink electrical tape combines industrial strength with everyday practicality. Its voltage rating, temperature resistance, strong adhesive, and durability make it an excellent choice for a wide range of electrical and general-purpose uses. If you want a dependable, high-quality electrical tape that stands up to demanding tasks, this pink EL766AW tape is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.